Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing an Hermes unboxing. I got this on the Hermes website, so it came in with this box, but with this box they actually wrapped this with some sort of like a bag, so it's like a thicker bag. So anyway, this is an item that has been sitting on my wish list in such a long time. It took me a while to decide whether I wanted to add this in my collection for a lot of reasons. And when I saw this particular style, right away, no, I wanted to get this. I wanted to add this in my collection. So I was so happy that before the end of the year, I was able to add this. And I am so excited. So anyway, let me open the box right here. So this is what it came in with. And surprisingly, there is a newspaper. So I guess if you purchase something on the website, it came in with this Hermes newspaper. This is very interesting though, because I also receive in the mail, this in the mail. And this is very interesting. And also, when you purchase something, I guess, on the website, they included this. And I guess this is just more about what they have. Yeah, pretty much the product. Yeah, this one are, wow, this neckties are really nice, lovely. I think this is like a mixture for men and women, though. I'm not really sure. So yeah, pretty much they feature a lot of the silk ties in here. Yeah, basically like men for fall and winter collection. Yeah, these are all, yeah, so beautiful, so nice. So yeah, just pretty much the newspaper is all about the ties for men. Very interesting. So okay, so here is the item. They actually wrapped this one nicely. So let me see. Okay, here's another one here. They came in with this perfume samples right here, H24. Let me smell it. Okay, smells all right. So here is the item. Wow, they wrapped this with all the packaging. Look at that. They wrapped this with all the packaging and everything. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here comes. Okay, so here comes the box. Wow, they actually wrapped this one beautifully as usual. So here is my receipt right here. And oh my gosh, I am so excited. I haven't really seen this in person. And also this one came in with a lot of variations of colors. But I'll tell you later on why I chose this and why it took me a long time to add this in my collection. So let me undo the ribbon. Right here. And, okay. Show you what I got. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. And okay. Here comes. Wow. Oh wow. It actually came in with a dust bag, but they did not put it inside a dust bag. Wow, right away I was like, whoo. It's right here. Okay, so here's the item. So the dust bag is right here. Okay, let me just show you the dust bag. It's a drawstring bag, very nice and thick. And let me go to the item. So this is an Hermes Bolide. And this one in particular, they actually call this in the website as the Bolide Rayu Rokabar travel case in a size mini. I think this is the smallest size that they have, the mini model. And wow, this has been around in a long time, but it's in a different color. It's more likely in a solid colors. They have it in several colors. They have it in black. They also have it in sort of like a pink color. But I am just not so interested with that color. That's because it's so plain. So yeah, they actually call that one as a BOLIDE travel case. And it also came in with different sizes. And this one is the Rayo Rokaba. And the reason why they call that, it's because this is made up of stripes fabric. So that's the difference. This one is the Rayo Rokaba, and then the other one is just a BOLIDE travel case, which is just a plain solid colors. This one is the striped ones. So I just really find this attractive more than the other ones that they have. So this one is made up of 100% cotton. Okay. So the stripes are amazing. This is the orange right here. This is more likely a cream color. And then we also have this one more likely an off-white, not very white. And also another thing that what makes this so attractive to me, that's because of this logo right there. This is actually stitched, and it says Hermes Paris, and I like it. The other one is just plain. It just says H right there, and there's no distinction. Wow. This one is priced as $380. So it is actually $20 more than the regular BOLIDE. And yeah, it's not much of a difference though. I still do think that this one is very attractive. And they also came in with another color as well. I think it's a blue stripe, but this one I find is even more attractive than the blue color. And they also have it in a size medium, and that is $455 US. I just find the medium a little bit larger though. I just find it a little bit bigger. This one you could easily slip right into your purses, in your larger purses. And this one measures, I think it is 8.3 inches on its length and 5.9 inches on its height. So I think this is a perfect size, the mini. And the piping right here, so the piping right here is made up of lambskin. So yeah, the piping looks a little bit distorted on the side. Not a little bit, but it is so obvious. Right here, this is a lambskin. This is a part that is leather as well. And more likely in a taupe color. And then right here on the side right here, there is a loop. I think you could use this as a crossbody. If you wanted to use it as a crossbody, maybe you could do that. All you have to do is put a strap right here. There is actually a hole, in fact. I think they did that on purpose. So you could just put a strap and then use it as a crossbody. And on both sides as well, as you guys could see, this one has a white stitching around it. It seems to look like it is uniform, and actually it's beautifully sewn as far as looking at it. And this one has a zipper right here, has a silver tone hardware. And it has the pull tab right here. It is in leather as well. Okay, so the teeth are in silver. Okay, let me just open this. Wow, it is actually soft. It is easy to open. Okay, let me show you inside. And the inside, wow. The orange color is absolutely amazing. That's another thing. When I saw it on the website, I said, wow, the interior is entirely orange. And it is so lovely. I would definitely gonna add this. I mean, more than any other colors that they have. And it says that the inside is waterproof. The lining is waterproof. It's more like a nylon though. So it says waterproof, but it's very, very soft inside. And it says on the website that you can use this as a bathroom pouch or use it for traveling. So yeah, I don't know, maybe with the steam from your bathroom, I think this could easily get dirty or something like that. This could get wet or whatever, so I don't think I'd be able to use this one in my bathroom or in my makeup room or something like that because of the color. So yeah, and also, okay, right here inside it says they're Hermes Paddy, made in France, 100% cotton, a 40% polyurethane. Okay, so that's what it says on the website. So there is a lot of writing in the inside right here, so I'm not gonna go there. And also I noticed something on the zipper. There is a writing M4. I'm not sure what was written there, but this one is actually has this pillowish feel to it. So it's a little bit like, it feels like it is inflated. And it is really soft. Yeah, very soft. Right, that very nice though. I really like the style, the stripes, and also it says the Hermes Paddy, and also the color is absolutely amazing. It is truly an Hermes color, the orange one. It's also in the inside, and I just love the detail for this piece. Yeah, so okay, so the bottom right there. Yeah, the only downside is I think this would easily get dirty though. But like I said, I've been wanting to add this bullet in my collection, but I'm just waiting for the right time to find the one that I think that I find it attractive. And so far, this one looks absolutely beautiful. Once again, this is in a mini model. It is $380 US. That's before tax. They have it in a size medium. That is $455 US. I got this on the website. I believe this has been sold out. And let me just get my mini pochette, and I'm going to show you a little bit of a comparison to that. So this is my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. And this is the comparison between the two. So this is the BOLIDE mini. And yeah, this is the comparison right there on this side. The other side, yeah, pretty much. And also, let me see if the mini pochette fits inside the pouch. I always like to do that. Okay, apparently this one fits perfectly inside with no problems at all. So you still have plenty of room if you wanted to put a lot of stuff. But yeah, this is just more likely a size comparison, and just letting you know, guys, that the mini pochette from Louis Vuitton perfectly fits on the Hermes Bolide. Okay, I think right now this one is around, I cannot remember. I do not remember anymore. I'm so sorry. I think it's around almost like $500. This one, and then this one is $380 US. This is made up of cotton, and this one is made up of canvas. Yeah, so yeah, I just really wanted to try their Bolide, and also they comes with it also comes with the plain color. I am just totally not attracted to that. And also I wish and hopefully that sooner that Hermes would come up with the leather version of these. I know they have a tote, and I know, yeah, the tote. The smallest one is, I think it's really pricey though for the purse, the BOLIDE purse. So yeah. So anyway, this is my unboxing on my latest purchase from Hermes. It is a BOLIDE Rayo Rokaba. It is a travel case in a size mini model. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.